I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Sadie B Has You Covered. This is my first video of the new year, and I'm really excited. I am coming back after a long break. 2018 was a tough year, you guys. I went through some family losses and needed to take a break, but I'm back and I'm ready for a new video. This video is gonna be a tutorial. As you can see, I'm not completely made up. I just have my foundation, brows done, cheeks done, everything's done but my eyes and my lips. So those are the products I'm gonna be featuring today, an eyeshadow palette and a gloss. So let's get into the tutorial. All right guys, so the products I'm gonna be featuring today are an eyeshadow palette and a gloss. I may have said that before. So I have the NYX line, and this is the Sugar Trip Squad. This is the eyeshadow palette, and this is a gloss. So I got these from Ulta like right after Thanksgiving, full price, and then a few weeks later, the whole line was 30% off. They had eyeshadow palettes, they had glittery cream eyeshadow palettes, highlighter palettes, lip gloss, and some other things I can't remember, but it looked interesting, and I'm gonna show you guys this palette and tell me what you think about the colors. I have not opened, I have not swatched anything. I swatched it in the store, but I have not like taken the plastic off to really get in here and do some swatches. So bear with me as I take this off, because this is a real like first impression of this product, because I have not used it yet. I've waited, that's a long time for me to wait and not play with makeup. So this is the palette. Cool colors. None of the colors really have names. They're all just numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm just gonna show you swatches of them, but I'm not going to include the names. And then I got this duochrome gloss. This also I have not opened yet. It's called Shimmer Cravings, or is the line Shimmer Cravings? Maybe that's not the name. No, it's Shimmer Cravings. So I'm gonna put this on. We're gonna try to tie in a look. I kind of have an idea of what colors I wanna use, so let's get into this. I don't have any primer on my eyes. These colors are pretty bright. So I think I'm going to just put a tad bit of concealer on my lid. We're gonna start there first, and then I'm going to go in with the look. Okay, so we have the concealer on my eyelids. Now we're gonna go in with our first color. So I'm going to be using, let's see, I had an idea and now I don't know. Okay, I'm going to be using these three colors. This peachy shade here, the red here, and then the gold. I'm gonna be using these three, and I'm gonna start with the peachy color in my crease. So fingers crossed. Oh, you guys, the pigment in this is pretty good. So putting concealer on your eyelid helps the eyeshadow to grab. You don't want it like wet, because then it'll start to look streaky, but you do want it slightly tacky. Now I'm just blending that into my crease and going a little bit higher towards my brow bone at the end of my eye. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. I'm liking this so far, you guys. Now I didn't leave any powder on my face just in case I get any fallout, so hopefully there won't be that much fallout. Oh look, when I add it more, oh that's really pretty. That's a really pretty color. So that's that color, and it's in my crease there. So that's that. Now I'm gonna be taking this red, I'm gonna show you guys again, this red right here, and I'm going to, I'm gonna apply it in the outer crease here, kind of blending it into the peach color and in towards the inner corner of my eye just a bit, but I'm saving this portion of my eye for the gold. So let's see if this is a true red. Now, I've never worn a true red eyeshadow. This is a true red. I do burgundy all over the lid, and people are always like, oh, your eyeshadow's so pretty. I'm like, it's literally one color, and I just really blend it out all over the lid, and it's gorgeous, but I've never tried anything this bright. So I'm curious. I have swatched a Makeup Forever bright red, and it kind of stains. I wonder if this is gonna stain. So let's see. Oh, you can really see that. Yeah, that's red red. That shows up. Oh, wow. You know what, guys? I think I'm gonna fan it out a little bit. Kind of like wing it out. You guys see that highlight? So here, I'm just gonna pull it out just a bit. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so I'm also gonna go back into that crease color and just reapply a little bit of it right in here. And then just kind of go back into the red just to blend the two together. I like that. So now we're gonna, this is like a really simple eye look. I'm not doing anything too crazy. Now we're gonna go into the gold color, and it's a deep bronzy color. I'm gonna be inserting the clips of the swatches that I made of each color so you can see. I'm gonna apply this on the inner corner of my eye. Not bad, not bad. This palette does not come with a mirror, so I have to look at the mirror here on my vanity. Now you guys, that's not with a wet brush, and that actually looks really, really nice. The pigment on that is really, really good. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more, and then I'm gonna blend the other two colors in just a bit more. So you guys watch as I do that, and then I'll come back with my other eye complete, and then we'll get into the lip review. All right, you guys, I'm back with the eyes done. I think this came out so well. You guys, I really freaking like this look. It was really simple. I just completed it with some mascara and some eyeliner, but I love it. Look at the gold. And as you guys can see, I put the gold in the inner corner of my eye, and then I took the peachy color and I ran it along the bottom of my eyelid, and then I put the black liner in my waterline, of course, but gorgeous, gorgeous. And I fanned the red out on both eyes, but it's such a cute, fun look, not too over the top. This palette, you guys, is really nice for the price. Now I paid like 22 bucks, but if they still have them, they're on sale for 30% off unless the sale ended for some reason. But this is a gorgeous palette. It didn't have much fallout. The colors are bright. This is more of a fun palette, but there are colors in here, as you can see, like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, that you could wear every day. These are your more fun colors that you might choose to do a night look, a party look, a special event look, but overall, this is a great palette to have in your collection. I've already lined my lips with Cold Brew by NYX. I love this. This is a brown liner where if you don't want to go too dark with your brown, but you want something brown to wear with your lip. Like if you're doing like a really fair neutral color, this is great. So it's not too much of a contrast. So I put this on to use with the Sprinkletown. This one's called Shimmer Cravings. As I mentioned earlier, this particular lip gloss here, that was a part of the line. I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand here. It's a duochrome. I'm a little nervous, you guys. Because it had like bluish purple. This is it on the back of my hand. It's not bad, so let's give it a try. I'm not sure how it's gonna go with this look I created, but let's see. Oh, that's not bad. That's the bottom lip. Oh, that's not bad at all. I like this. Now I'm trying to figure out what is the undertone in here. It's like blue. It's kind of conflicting with the look I have going on with my eyes because it's more cool tone, but the actual consistency and texture and the look of it, I'm loving. I like this. I wish I would have picked more up. I'm gonna go back and see if they have any more things in the collection that I can grab that still might be 30% off, but I'm loving those. I just wanted to show it to you because I hadn't really heard anybody talking about it. The highlighting palette was gorgeous, but at the time I was not trying to get a bunch of makeup pieces. I was Christmas shopping, but I might try that and see if they still have it, but it's a gorgeous line. I like the look I created. If you guys go pick it up, try this look, tell me if you like it. Happy New Year. It's great to be back. I'm a little bit more subdued for this video, but my next video will be coming out on Saturday, and I'm gonna be showing you the drugstore products and the more higher end makeup products that I took with me that came right along with me into 2019. So look out for that on Saturday, and I love you guys. See you soon. So glad to be back.